Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you all are having a beautiful day. It is a very warm 75 degrees here in the New Orleans area, and it is humid. Oh, yeah, you could cut it. You could cut it. You could cut it. But you know what? It's all good. So, today I would like to talk to you all about seeds. Ooh. All right, guys, I wanted to get this video out early in the season. Yes, before it is time that we all get to purchasing seeds. Because, every gardener I know is obsessed with seeds. We all love seeds, right? And we always, well, let me say this. I always look for some kind of unusual seed, something different that I can grow in my garden that I did not grow last season. Now, I don't know if this is you, but yeah, that's some of the things I do. I look for something different. Just a little bit. But beware. Look at this. Have you ever grew a blue strawberry? Yes. Listen, there are so many companies out here that will sell you all kinds of wonderful, wonderful seeds. And you may be the person who would love this and fall in love with this purple pumpkin because you love purple so much. You would purchase this and these colorful pumpkins. Yeah. And then you nurture that seed, and then you find out your pumpkin is orange because God didn't make no purple pumpkins. So every year, many new gardeners, as well as some veterans, get, I don't know the word, shanked. They get stubbled with purchasing these seeds from these companies that will, Buddha on a tree. Y'all, that's a mold. So anyway, guys, listen, so many gardeners have a mindset that it doesn't matter which zone I live in. I could grow anything. Just give me the seed and I could grow anything. And that's the way some gardeners feel, but beware. Now look at this. These tomatoes. Now there is such a thing as an heirloom rainbow tomato. There is. It really is. And that consists of brandywines, yellows and reds. And you have orange tomatoes and red tomatoes. Yes. And you have Cherokee purples. I'm looking at some notes I have right here. Some Cherokee purples and some green zebras. Yes, they have that. But they grow on individual plants. Nothing like this. No. Do not waste your money. Listen, in most places, I do know here in Louisiana, I can say Louisiana, there is such thing as a prescription. And prescription, I'm not talking about medicine, y'all. I'm talking about time. It's time. So in order for you to sue someone, it must be a year. So like if someone did you something wrong and you found out about it December 2nd, you have until the next December 2nd to file a lawsuit against somebody. But if you go out and purchase some seeds, let's say for $3.99, are you really going to go and sue somebody? No, you're not. But can you imagine how many $3.99s that company have just skindled, or whatever it is, out of someone for this beautiful plant here. Guys, it's not real. God didn't do this. So, you plant that, you're going to get a tomato plant, but it will look nothing like this. Beware. Beware of all of these companies that's trying to sell you these seeds. And it is crazy, crazy. Beware. But anyway, guys, check this out. So this is another scheme I would like for you to be and keep your eyes open, okay? Bigger, bigger. Look at this strawberry. So what they doing is showing you these pictures of these humongous fruits, and you know, it's like, and you saying, oh, I gotta have it. I'm gonna put a lot of 511 on it. 511 ain't gonna do nothing for that. They ain't gonna do that because that's not real. It's not real. So I just want to tell you, beware, beware. They coming for us. They coming for us. So beware of those seeds that's promising you all of these gorgeous, gorgeous looking plants and beautiful fruits and, yeah, blue strawberries. Don't believe it, y'all. All right. But anyway, guys, listen, I hope you all have a beautiful day. I hope this turned on the light for some of you all. And don't send your money to these crazy schemes. Yeah. All right, guys. Y'all have a great, great day. Later, y'all.